Hey, good morning. Jeremiah again. Out here this morning in La Cañada Flint Ridge here in Southern California. I have a great remodel project. Half the house is slab on grade, half the house is subfloor. Contractor went through and put through some lightweight gyp over everything to level it out, and then we have our R panels going over all the nice level flooring. So it's a great combination. Out here with Bear Construction with Kurt's team, and then Lloyd's Plumbing doing an installation here. So our comfort system, of course, natural gas, thermostats for each zone. I think there's 10 zones in this home. Can't wait to see the progress and the team get this done.